the Brisbane Capitals, our team, our town, our time. How did I go from filming in a crowded kitchen with a $75 camera to being featured in global media, collaborating with top creators, and becoming one of the internet's most recognizable meme personalities? This is my story. How YouTube didn't just make me famous. It gave me a platform that changed my life. Your life could change too. But before the interviews, before the viral fame, before the global recognition, there was just me, a camera, and a kitchen. I didn't have a studio. I didn't have a team. I didn't even have space. I was filming in my kitchen, and as you saw in my previous video, my wife was constantly complaining that the kitchen was too cluttered and kicked me out a few times. Then everything changed. YouTube took my personality and amplified it to the world. My style, calm, though at times boisterous, humorous, and a little absurd, made people stop, watch, laugh, and share. Merry Christmas, Alexandre! Or should I say, Mustang? If you want to be a true alpha male child like me, Tyrone, or Romanian icon, Andrew Tate, always remember that the only way to... One of my most iconic moments was the script, every 60 seconds in Africa, a minute passes. It went viral across the internet, but that was just the beginning. My videos like YOLO, congratulations, and you what mate, turned me into a household meme. People weren't just watching, they were quoting me, remixing me, and sharing my content everywhere. Some of my videos went on to reach up to 22 million views. That's when I realized this was bigger than just YouTube. I didn't just go viral, I became a media figure. As Big Man Tyrone, also known by my real name Gordon Hurd, I built a channel with over 500,000 subscribers. But beyond that, my presence spread across the internet and into mainstream media. I was featured by Vice News. I was documented on Know Your Meme. That's when I knew I wasn't just creating content anymore. I was becoming part of internet culture. Hello again, you Brisbane basketball fans. It's the final round of QBL 2017 and we've saved the best for last. Our Brisbane Capitals have a massive weekend of basketball in store for you, and it's all right here at NAB Stadium, Auchen Flower. As my influence grew, so did my opportunities. I collaborated with some of the biggest creators in the world, including Pewdiepie. Pewdiepie has affected my life positively on this planet, okay? Now, there've been times, there was actually a day, guys. There was a day that Pewdiepie went on his channel and endorsed Tyrone's video services. Some of you remember it, guys. It had 6 million views before some of his detractors decided to take down the video because, you know, they thought it was anti-Semitic, you know, all of that, you know, all the things that started on Fiverr.com, you know, with those guys. But be that as it may, guys, that was a watershed in my profession, in my video profession, because in one day alone, guys, 6 million views pointing to my link, and guys, I had so many orders that day, and in the following days that my life practically changed. I appeared in SMG4 videos and became part of major online communities, including 4chan and Reddit, both of which played a very huge part in my success. J'aimerais remercier la famille Lalancette de nous laisser la possibilité de réaliser nos rêves. Donc, profitez bien de ce magnifique repas. Je vais donc vous laisser. J'ai une affaire urgente à traiter. Au revoir et bonne nuit blanche. Ha I didn't plan any of that. I just kept showing up, creating YouTube videos, and being myself. And eventually, the right people noticed. At one point, I was even declared the president of Kekistan, a fictional meme country, and I embraced it fully. I wore the uniform. I played the role. I leaned into the moment because I understood something important. If you want to stand out online, you have to commit to who you are. That's what turns me from a creator into a globally recognizable internet figure. My journey didn't just stop with memes. I became closely connected to online communities such as 2B2T Minecraft Anarchy server, one of the most unique gaming communities in the world. Through collaborations and shared content, I became part of something bigger than myself. That's the power of YouTube. It connects you to people and communities worldwide. Behind the scenes, there were real challenges too. At one point, my entire family and I caught coronavirus.
Hi there everyone, Big Man Tyrone here guys with a very sad announcement. I know some of you have already had word of this, so it's not new to you, but I thought I'd drag myself out of bed today guys to formally announce guys that I've just tested positive for COVID-19. So yes, I've got coronavirus.
Despite all these challenges, I kept pressing on because success on YouTube isn't about avoiding challenges, it's about pushing through them. Today I'm still here. I've just celebrated over 12 years on YouTube and even reached my 60th birthday while still creating content. Grandpa YouTuber, some might say. That alone proves something powerful. Success on YouTube doesn't have an age limit. You don't need to be young. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start and keep going. And remember my wife, the one who used to complain about the kitchen? She became my first producer the day we made our first $6,000 online. So what does my story mean for you? It means you don't need to be perfect to start on YouTube. I began in a messy kitchen with a cheap camera and no real plan. Today I'm a global internet personality, a media figure, and a creator who continues to reach millions worldwide. I didn't wait for the perfect moment. I just started. So if you are thinking of starting a YouTube channel, start today. Because your story, just like mine, could be one video away from changing everything. In this next video, I'll share with you how I felt after I made my first $10,000 on YouTube. You don't want to miss this video. Thank you for watching.